Please don't mind, I'm wearing shorts underneath. YouTube life. Hello munchkins, what's up? I hope you all are doing great. If you're new, hi, my name is Himadri and I do post fashion and makeup related content on my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. Please subscribe Karlo because I will be doing a huge giveaway once I hit 100k soon. So that would be very cool and good for you and for me. So it's a win-win situation. It's just gonna take less than a minute to hit the red subscribe button. Please कर दो subscribe. 70% of my audience is not even subscribed to my channel, which is, I have no words. Anyways, in today's video, I'll be sharing the most easiest, most relatable and most realistic makeup tutorial that you can find on the internet. And this is a realistic Raksha Bandhan makeup tutorial because honestly, no one's gonna do pink, green, yellow eyeshadow with cut creases, big dramatic lashes for Raksha Bandhan. So it's better to create something very relatable, raw and something that people will actually do. So this is the makeup look that I will be sharing, and if you are interested then you should definitely keep on watching. Acha, so for the first step I have cleansed my face and now it's time to apply some moisturizer. But today I will be using a serum instead because my skin feels extra dry today. You can totally use a moisturizer. I usually prefer using a moisturizer before I apply any makeup. If you have been following my makeup tutorials, you know the drill. I will be using the Pixi Glow Tonic Serum. A great news, now Pixi is officially available on Nykaa. So now you can shop your favorite Pixi products directly from Nykaa. How cool is that? I'll definitely get another Glow Tonic toner. Next, primer. I will be using the Sugar Cosmetics Base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer. Never skip this step. Even if you're someone who wears BB-CC cream, a primer will act as a barrier between your skin and whatever makeup you'll be applying on top, because BB-CC creams also have a lot of chemicals in it and it's better to protect your skin, and a primer will do that for you. You can use a hydrating primer, an oil-based primer, a silicone-based primer. It's totally your call, but never skip this step. I'll take a little bit of this and spread it evenly all over my face. Before I do my base, I'll quickly fill my brows in, and for that I will be using the Bollyglow Bollybrow Shape and Set, and this is in the shade Dark Chocolate. A great thing about this product is that it has a brow definer on one side and a brow gel on the other end. This is great for people who have brows that keep moving here and there. I have seen a lot of people where their brows are like kabhi upar, kabhi niche, and it's not very flattering, so a clear brow gel will help your brows stay in place. So I'll be using this end first and fill in any sparse areas. I'll use the clear brow gel to set my brows in place. Next, for my base, I will be using this Nykaa Skingenius Sculpting and Hydrating Foundation in the shade True Tan. You can totally build up your coverage according to your liking, but if you don't want to use a foundation, you can totally use a BB-CC cream instead. Whatever you like, but I think with the BB-CC creams, you cannot build up the coverage. I'm not really sure. बहुत साल हो गए मुझे use किए हुए. Let me know in the comments down below if you can, because मुझे बिल्कुल भी याद नहीं आ रहा है. So I'll give this foundation a good shake. And I'll take a very small amount of product and spread it out evenly all over my face. After that's blended, next I will use a concealer. Acha, listen, I haven't been getting a lot of good sleep lately, so my under eye situation is very critical. I have very bad dark circles right now, so I have to cover up my panda eyes. But if you're God gifted and you have flawless skin and don't have dark circles, you can totally skip this step. It's not necessary. I wish I was God gifted and I had flawless looking skin, but sadly I don't. So I will be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Deep Tan. and apply it right under my eyes. Acha, As I said earlier, my under eye situation is very critical, so I need another layer of coverage. I will be using the Maybelline Age concealer in the shade Caramel. You can totally skip this, you guys. You can customize this tutorial according to your needs. And blend it out using a damp beauty sponge. Wow, I look so better already. My dark panda eyes are gone now. To set my under eyes, I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder in the shade 330. For my blush, I'll be doing this hack jugaad thing, and I will be using the Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade 17A. You can literally use whatever pink lipstick that you have in your collection. Use it as an eyeshadow, a blush, a lipstick, of course. Like, jo karna hai kar sakte ho. You can do so much with one lip color. It's just unbelievable, and I'll be doing the same today. So I'll take a very little amount of this because I don't want to look like a clown, and I'll apply it on the apples of my cheeks. So smile first. And this amount should be more than enough, and I'll blend it out using the same sponge. Honestly speaking, I was never really a blush person, but nowadays the trend is all about having that natural, fresh looking skin. Even if you're not doing a lot of eye makeup, your skin should look like skin, and this is something that I've always believed. जितना भी बेस मेकअप लगा लो, it should be well blended, and ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए that सामने वाला इंसान बता सकता है कि yes, you have ton of makeup on. So I always try to find different ways where I can make my base look as flawless, as natural as possible. For my eyes, I'll just use a matte brown eyeshadow like this. You can use whatever you have and apply it all over my eyes. This will add a little bit of color and dimension to my eyes. Next, for my eyeliner, I'll be using the Nykaa Get Inked Eyeliner in the shade 01. I'll create a thick line because I want my eyes to be the center of attraction, because everything else is very, very simple. So I went ahead and added a thick wing. Next, I'll curl my lashes. This is a very important step for me because my lashes are like a tent and वो सारे गिरे हुए हैं, so I have to lift them up ज़बरदस्ती using this tool right here. If you already have curl lashes, you can go ahead with mascara straight away. And today I'll be using my favorite L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. I'll not wear false lashes today because let's be honest, no one's really gonna wear false lashes on Raksha Bandhan, but even if you want to, you can totally do that. No one's judging you here, but most of us won't be wearing false lashes, including me, because I won't. So it doesn't make sense कि मैं वीडियो के लिए झूठा दिखाऊं that I'll be wearing false lashes to look beautiful and all that, where in reality I'm not even going to wear falsies. I'm trying to keep this video as pure, as raw and realistic as I can. Okay, for my highlighter, I'll be using a cream highlighter just on my brow bone, and I'll also apply the same cream highlighter on the highest points of my face. As you can see, it's not very, very blinding. It looks very natural. For my lipstick, I'll be using the Nykaa Wonder Puff Cushion Lipstick in the shade Dream On. To finish off the look, I'll be adding a chota sa black bindi. And that's the finished look, everybody. This is the most easiest and realistic makeup tutorial that you can find on the internet. This is such an easy makeup look that literally anybody can do it. And as I mentioned before, if you don't have these products, you can totally customize this tutorial according to your needs. Happy Raksha Bandhan to everyone celebrating. Also, if you guys are wondering क्या कुर्ता पहना है मैंने, this is a Fab India kurta. It is a very simple, subtle kurta, but at the same time, it totally gives festive vibes. Please don't mind, I'm wearing shorts underneath. YouTube life. I hope you guys found this video easy and relatable. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed watching this, hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please support कर लो मेरे को. Please, सच्ची में कितना बोलूँ मैं. Check out my Instagram profile as well and follow me if you want to. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye! Mwah.